In this video, I will show how to get 25 random name list. So open ChatGPT. Now here type random name list and give the number as you need, like 25 with first and last name. Press enter. So now we have this random name list. Thanks for watching.